Before, when I came to CAB, my skills in certain areas were really weak, such as technology and like software. And I developed these skills when I entered Dr. Goldsborough's room, and he taught me how to deal with technology. Learning at CAB has definitely elevated my skills a lot. Before I came to CAB, I felt extremely left out, like an outcast in my previous school. But when I came here, my experiences have definitely taken a turn, and I've made lifelong friends that I will never forget.
CAB has elevated my skills by having me practice a lot more, because I would just have to go home and practice my extracurricular activities. But here at CAB, we would have a whole class dedicated to something you love and something you're very interested in. Learning at CAB is very positive, and there's a lot of people who will share the same interests at you. So you'll hear people like walking down the hallway, you'll hear everyone singing, you'll see some people like drawing on the backs of their tests, and honestly, I love that because it's just, I love art and like I love everything about CAB, and everyone is so nice and respectful, and I honestly think it's an awesome community here.
CAB has elevated my skills by mainly just helping me and pushing me more through my limits, and they've been giving me other classes to take to also help me push. Learning at CAB is a really great place to learn at. You have a wide range of what you can do. No one judges you for who you are. The teachers are respectful and mindful, and all together we are a community.
Learning at CAB is different than learning anywhere else because you're getting incredible academics while also excelling in your art form, which really leads to a well-balanced culture here. CAB has elevated my skills in dance by providing me with a space to express myself and also get better at artistry and technique, which are two major pillars of dance.
Learning at CAB for me has been an exciting experience. Along with the things I've learned, the friends I've made have really shaped me into the person I am today.